finally, J-Rocc has come back to YouTube. What is happening in with the millions and millions of J-Rocc's fans from all over the world? You're right here with J-Rocc. Oh, and we got ourselves another episode of Hishe. How it should have ended, but this time, Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn and the gang. Well, let's check this out. Twitch.tv/J-Rocc the Great One, the YouTube People's Champ Twitch channel. J-Rocc is taking the electricity over to the Twitcher sphere. Alright? Not Twitter, Twitcher sphere. Yeah, I just made that word up because I can. The fact of the matter is that tonight, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, I will be laying the smack down in some Final Fantasy VII Remake. Having a good time in this series. Alright? So make sure that you are live with J-Rocc tonight. Come hang out with the YouTube People's Champ over there. Alright? Hope to see you there. But let's check out some Hishe.
They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
We lost the diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This kid...
We never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What? Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up.
I hate you so much. Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't want to.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
Oh.
Shots fired! Shots fired! That's Harley Quinn!
She's using non-lethal glitter bombs! Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one! Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then. Freeze!
Well, Pope.
We heard you know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
No.
We'll give you lots and lots of money.
No.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else then.
Okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we drive.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn? You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley f***ing...
No, because I'm Batman! I got you!
Come on!
Let me go!
You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is that?
Whoops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap nugget.
Harley! What happened?
That man just swooped in and took everything.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City. He was bound to show up sooner or later.
I really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and dance.
Oh no.
Puddin'!
What's up?
You look... different.
I know.
You look good.
Want to get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you! Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw you, clown!
Whatever. I don't care. See ya.
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Puddin', wait for me!
Harley, no! Yeah, don't be stupid.
I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts.
So did I.
Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookums. Besides, I was out of bullets.
Oh, look out! Out of bullets.
You ladies have a cafe too. That's cool.
Yup.
So anyways, your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well...
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross, and I don't want a nasty poop diamond. But sure, I am also Batman. I would wash that if I were you.
Thanks.
So, your rich parents were killed, and now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like. You wanna know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, wanna know who I am. Okay, so... Cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you wanna know my secret?
You're barking up the wrong tree there, Batboy.
Oh, okay. So, you have supersonic voice powers. I can make my voice sound different with technology. Do you wanna know?
So you struck out?
What?
J-Rocc says this. Good job. Hishe. All of you guys who worked on this, that was a damn good one, especially at the end. You struck out. What? Yeah. J-Rocc appreciates the humor. Appreciates the ingenuity with the humor. I appreciate that. Alright? That was funny. Good job, guys. Make sure you go over to Hishe's. Hishe! I should have been his channel. And subscribe to him and tell him that J-Rocc, the YouTube People's Channel, sent you to them. Alright? Post your comments down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Alright? If you appreciated and enjoyed the Great One's reaction to this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share. You got a video you want me to check out? Make sure you go over to the People's Channel on Facebook and put your request there, and if I choose your video, I'll give you a shout out, right? Lastly, hit that bell so that you can be notified that it is time to be electrified. Thank you for joining J-Rocc. Until we meet again. Mamba and GG forever. If you smell what J-Rocc is cooking.